Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a brief look at the ticketing feature in Visp. First, find a customer by going to your subscribers list on the left sidebar. If the customer already has a ticket, great. If not, we'll create one. Click on the blue plus sign under the ticket section. Fill out the following fields. Priority. Set how urgent the ticket is. Low, normal, or high. Normal is the default. Assignee. Choose the technician responsible. You can leave it unassigned, but it's best to have someone ready. Followers. Add others who need to stay updated. They can even take it over if the assignee is unavailable. Assignment type. Is this for the subscriber, their equipment, or your infrastructure? Choose accordingly. Subscriber. This should auto-populate if you created a ticket from their account. Type. Categorize the ticket. Create new types if needed. This helps with automation and templates later. Status. Is it open, pending, or resolved? You can add custom statuses on the Kanban board. Due on or before. Set a deadline for when the ticket should be done. This is to add the ticket to the queue, but not yet schedule it on the calendar. Preferred arrival window. Here's where you get specific. Choose a fixed time or an arrival window to give your technician some flexibility. This is the key. Click Schedule to set the appointment duration and the exact date and time the event will take place. Now update the service contact if needed. The summary is required for your tickets. Give a brief description of the issue. You can add more details in the body, even auto-populate them with templates. Save your changes. Now you can add tasks, attachments, link tickets, and even create a bill of materials. The signature button lets you or the customer sign off on completion. And the message tab is for communication, email, text, or internal notes. And that's it. That's the brief overview of the ticketing feature. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.